Hello students, welcome to Classy Max. In the previous video, we have seen chapter 3 Algebra and Matrices. Now we are going to see chapter 4 Geometry, all the theorems and points to remember. Let us start our video now. First one, two geometrical figures are congruent if they have same size and shape. Second one, two geometrical figures are similar if they have same shape but proportional sizes. Third one, criteria of similarity. First one, AA criterion of similarity. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar because the third angle in both the triangles must be equal. Therefore, AA similarity criterion is same as AAA similarity criterion. Second criteria, SAS criterion of similarity. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and if the sides including them are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Next one, SSS criterion of similarity. If three sides of a triangle are proportional to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Next one, some important results on similar triangles. Look at the triangle here. In triangle ABC, BD is drawn perpendicular to AC. First result, a perpendicular line drawn from the vertex of a right angle triangle divides the triangle into two triangles similar to each other and also to original triangle. So what are the three similar triangles in the previous diagram are? First one, triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Next one, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC, which implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. Second one, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal to the ratio of their corresponding altitudes. Next one, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal to the ratio of the corresponding perimeters. Fourth one, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles are equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Fifth one, if two triangles have common vertex and their bases are on the same straight line, the ratio between their areas is equal to the ratio between the length of their bases. Fifth one, two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding sides are proportional. Next one, two triangles are equiangular if the corresponding angles are equal. Sixth one, now we are going to see the theorem. Basic proportionality theorem, BPT or Thales theorem. Look at the theorem. A straight line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides divides the sides in the same ratio. The theorem's proof I will show you in the next videos. And next theorem, converse of Thales theorem. If a straight line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. Eighth one, angle bisector theorem. The internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio of the corresponding sides containing the angle. Ninth one, converse of angle bisector theorem. If a straight line through one vertex of a triangle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio of the other two sides, then the line bisects the angle internally at the vertex. 10th one, Pythagoras theorem. Very important theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. 11th one, in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to 90 degree is called as the hypotenuse. The other two sides are called legs of the right angle triangle. The hypotenuse will be the longest side of the triangle. 12th one, converse of Pythagoras theorem. If the square of the longest side of a triangle is equal to sums of squares of other two sides, then the triangle is a right-angled triangle. 13th one, if a line touches the given circle at only one point, then it is called tangent to the circle. 14th one, results on circles and tangents. First one, radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. Second point, no tangent can be drawn from an interior point of the circle. And third point, only one tangent can be drawn at any point on a circle. Fourth point, two tangents can be drawn from any exterior point of a circle. Fifth point, the length of the two tangents drawn from an exterior point to a circle are equal. Sixth point, the two direct common tangents drawn to the circles are equal in length. 15th one, alternate segment theorem. It is also called as tangent chord theorem. If a straight line touches a circle and from the point of contact a chord is drawn, the angles between the tangent and the chord are respectively equal to the angles in the corresponding alternate segment. 16th one, concurrency theorems. A Cevian is a line segment that extends from one vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. We are going to see special Cevians. First one, a median is a Cevian that divides the opposite side into two congruent lengths. Second one, an altitude is a Cevian that is perpendicular to the opposite side. Next one, an angle bisector is a Cevian that bisects the corresponding angle. Now 17th one, Seva's theorem. Let ABC be a triangle and let D, E, F be points on lines BC, CA and AB respectively. Then the Cevians AD, BE, CF are concurrent if and only if BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FB equal to 1 where the lengths are directed. Next 18th one, the Cevians do not necessarily lie within the triangle although they do in the diagram. 19th one, Menelaus theorem. Look at the diagram given here. See the theorem now. A necessary and sufficient condition for points P, Q, R on the respective sides BC, CA, AB or their extension of a triangle ABC to be collinear is that BP by PC into CQ by QA into AR by RB is equal to -1, where all segments in the formula are directed line segments. Important note, Menelaus theorem can also be given as, just cross multiply, BP into CQ into AR is equal to minus of PC into QA into RB. So we have completed all theorems and the important points to remember in chapter 4. Thank you students for watching. Take care.